Ow! I already injured myself. This is not a good start. Okay friends, welcome back to my channel. Hello, my name is Veronika. I'm a part-time reseller, also a full-time working mama of one, and as such I don't really have a ton of time or energy for that matter to go sourcing by myself, and for that reason I have purchased another Goodwill Bluebox. In fact, it's two Goodwill Blueboxes. I took advantage of their buy one get one half off deal again, this time for the Thrifty Apparel box, so the cheapest box I believe that they have available, and it's usually kind of a lower end brands, nothing super exciting, but I found really good pieces in those boxes, and I only paid $29 and some change for both of these because of the buy one get one free, and that includes shipping and all that. So we're gonna unbox it, see what's in here. I need to grab a beverage and then we're gonna get started. Okay, beverage acquired, and my battery's running low, so we better get started on this. You would think after all these boxes I've unboxed on this channel I could do this without hurting myself, but no, apparently not. Okay, we got a lot of paper from Goodwill and their Worn Not Wasted collaboration. And ladies and gentlemen, I do believe I see underwear in this box. It looks new, but we have underwear, which is not a first, but I just want it to be known. All right, so I'm gonna say Fruit of the Loom boxers, briefs. I don't know. I mean, I'm not going to sell these, but I will probably unravel them, see what size they are, and see if any of the gentlemen in my life would like these. But that's a dud. Interesting start for sure. Okay, I do see something that's new with tags. Looks like, yeah, like a uniform. National Patrol, permanent press, soil release. Yeah, it's just men's security polyester twill pants. Okay, size 38. My child's father used to work security, so he could have probably used these. I don't know if he can now, but I might just list them. I don't know what they go for, but I do know a lot of people have to, you know, purchase their own uniforms. So they might just sell. Who knows? You know, a tag, so why not? Okay, lots of colorful stuff in here. Oh, I forgot to mention, these boxes usually have between 10 and 12 pieces. Most of mine that I've ordered have had more than 12, so fingers crossed for that. Okay, we got a Rachel Zoe, which retails high but doesn't resell well, but we'll see, we'll try her out. It's a size large blouse, very wild ditzy floral pattern, so why not? I mean, somebody might like this. I will list that. This could be cute. Not sure what it is yet. It's just Eyeshadow Girls, which is clearly a kid's item, size 12. But it's a very adorable jumpsuit. It's relatively like stretchy, cheap fabric. I mean, honestly, I pulled this out and thought it was a dish towel, so that's definitely better. But it's cute, so this might just sell. I feel like older kids' clothing is difficult. Like little kids, it's okay, but older kids who have lots of opinions and don't want their parents shopping for them is a little bit harder. What is this? It's floral and it has armholes, but I can't tell what's happening here. Okay, here we go. Adele and May. Not sure what that is. Don't think it's expensive. It's a size large. And it's a probably almost off the shoulder, kind of like a layered top with these fluttery sleeves that are not really sleeves. This box is getting in the way already. I don't know, it's very matronly, but I'm gonna look it up, and if it's worth anything, I'll probably list it. Also depending on what the rest of the box looks like. Okay, we have a white tank top, so that is super exciting. It feels nice. I don't see a label. Oh, it's Shein Curve 1X. I don't think that's gonna be worth listing, but I might just keep it as a layering top. Okay, this looks like a good fall color. It's just Chadwick's size large. Like a sweater vest, but you know what, with Y2K coming back and granny core being a thing, Who knows? It might just sell, honestly. I've listed like basic little cardigans that I got in thread-up boxes that I would never in a million years pick up from the thrift. I've listed them and some of them have sold and some get a bazillion likes, so I clearly don't understand what people are into anymore. Zach and Rachel extra large, not a brand that does well for me, but a cute little blouse, very lightweight in this coral color, and it has a little bit of a embroidery and then crochet almost accent down here. I'm guessing it's button down. I don't know if a button is missing. Haven't looked that close yet, but it's an extra large, so that's good. I mean, at least it's a bigger size. That is gonna be a little bit easier than Zach and Rachel in a tiny size. All right, men's polo shirt, but it's Polo by Ralph Lauren, size large, which can do well sometimes. I have not figured out what polo does do well and what doesn't. It's just a yellow polo shirt. I don't know. I might just list that. Who knows? Okay, this one is a New York & Company size medium. Ugh, it's a cold shoulder top dress, shift dress. You know what? But again, with Y2K coming back, who knows? This may just have a moment here. It's a cute dress. Otherwise, it's just like very polyester feeling. That's probably what it is. I don't know about you guys, but the older I get, the less patience I have for fabrics like that. I can't wear them anymore. This is cute, whatever this is. Okay, it's just N-Focus Studio, size 12, but it looks like a cute dress. And it's a good size, so that might actually do okay. I mean, I don't know how much I can get for it, but maybe 20 bucks? It's definitely out of season at this point, filming this in September, but you never know. Okay, we got an Under Armour men's, I would say, shirt in a 2XL, so that's good. Heat gear, loose fit. Definitely list that if it doesn't have any flaws. I mean, so far I think the only thing I'm not listing is the the undergarments and that one tank top. All right, this is Old Navy, size medium, but it's cute. It's a cute little sheet. Is it a sheet? More like a shift dress. But it does have a attached tie belt, so it probably looks really adorable. This is a really nice piece. I wish I could wear that. Wish it was my size. Oh, this looks like something I'm gonna have to keep, even though I have a bazillion of these. Maybe not, because it's not my size. Women's slipper booty. What brand is this, though? No idea. Size small to medium. And this is like a thread-up fun box item. These are so cute. I mean, I have like, again, a bazillion of these and one very similar pair. No idea what brand that is, but I'll probably list them. Good bundle item. See how they do. Okay, new with tags. Amira men's regular, and it has a price on it in a currency I'm not familiar with. Interesting. Okay, so the tag has a key on it, like a legit, it's 3-dimensional. Medium blue men's regular. So what is it? It's just a men's shirt. Oh god, wait, this is super long. Okay, so I don't know if this is like a traditional garb. I have no idea. I have to do a lot more research because I have no idea what this is, but I'm gonna go with something traditional that I'm not aware of. So we're gonna do some research and see if there's any resale value to it. Another new with tags, the brand is Nora Cora. Again, never heard of it, but that doesn't necessarily mean anything. At some point in one of these Thrifty apparel boxes, I got a new with tag gown by the brand Baltic Born. New with tags, I think I mentioned that. That stuff sold for like 50 bucks. So definitely a good brand. This is a size extra, extra large, so that's good. And it's a floral dress. Super lightweight, but very cute. If I can make this look good on my mannequin, I might just do well. Oh, look at that. We have more underoos. So we got the blue and the red. So you can put your butt in something patriotic if you like. I have no words. I don't even know what size they are until I unravel them. So they're gonna have to be taken apart. Okay, we got some Billabong Recycler Tri-Bong Low Tide men's sport shorts, size 34. Definitely list these. I like Billabong. It doesn't do super well for me, but I will still list it. This looks like Loft. Nope, it's rose and olive, but it's a size 2X. So again, plus sizes, I'm here for it. Just a floral blouse, again, more polyester fabric, but some people don't mind that as much, but this looks very, very interesting. Pamela McCoy Collections. This could be good, and even if it's not good, it's wild, like literally. See, now I'm gonna embarrass myself because I don't remember which animal this is. It's not a cheetah, is it? I don't know what it is, but I will look it up before listing it. But yeah, not only that, but it also has like embellishments and things. Can you guys see that? That's crazy. Feels nice. It smells like very strong perfume. What is the fabric content? Okay, rayon, nylon, and spandex. Dry clean only. We'll see about that. Very interesting statement piece. I mean, again, there's a buyer out there for everything. Never a dull moment with these boxes. Okay, we got a, what just fell out? Oh, Lulifama Miami. It's the Midnight Dreaming Cuba Libre crop top in a size medium. Here's the brand. Never heard of this before, but I think it's cute. Whoop, hold on. What? Where is what? Where's your up? Where's your down? Oh my god, I'm so confused. All right, this is, I think, like this. Okay, so it's open back and very low cut in the front, and it looks like nothing with me holding it up, but I think it's actually very cute. It has like the trumpet sleeves. It's new with tags. It has these little charms on the tie. Yeah, okay, so this on a mannequin is probably gonna look super cute. I have no idea what this brand goes for. It doesn't say on the tag, but could be good. Could not be. We'll see. I mean, again, I have less than 30 bucks into this box, so if everything sells, or if half of this stuff sells for like a okay bread and buttery price, then I'll make my money back. But there's nothing in here that has wowed me so far. This is just buy and buy, but again, size extra large. I believe it's pants, kind of like a, almost like a beach cover-up pant. Very sheer. But I could tag this as resort wear. I don't know, 15 bucks, 12 bucks maybe. And then two more items. Haven't counted, but I will. This is Avenue, the longest tunic, 14 to 16. That is not the longest tunic, but okay. I might keep that. We'll see. Not really my color. So yeah, that's interesting. Not sure what I'm gonna do with that. Might list it. And this is something with golden glitter stuff in the front that reminds me of my clubbing days. Okay. Is that a Harry Potter thing? It's Old Navy Active, and it says, oh no, the glitter stuff's coming off, damn it. It's something witchy, Halloweeny, but unfortunately the glitter lettering down here is coming off. I do have fabric glue somewhere, I don't know where, so I might glue that back on because it is kind of a, it's a cute top. It's definitely a play on, you know, the Regina George Boo You Whore. But I don't know how to say this. What's a whore? I don't know. This box was meant to embarrass me with my lack of knowledge. So I'm gonna count real quick, and then we're gonna share our final thoughts here. Alright, so I got 24 items, so exactly 12 items per box, if you will. They just toss it all in one box, so it's not like they're sending two separate boxes. So 24 items, that means I spend a little over $1 per item, and yes, I did include the 2 pairs of boxer shorts, briefs, whatever they are, as one item each. So let's do quick math. So I have $1.22 into each one of these items, so I can definitely make a profit on this. It's not going to be fun to list most of them. They're probably going to take some time to sell, although I've been surprised before with very basic items selling very, very quickly. But there's definitely potential here to make a profit. I think I can make my money back for sure, and then some. It's just probably going to take a while, and it's probably not going to be a huge profit. But I have items to list, and I think pretty much everything besides the underoos and maybe that one Shein tank top is sellable in this box. I'll have to do some more research on some of these brands. I do like that there's a good amount of Nuba tags in there, so I think even if it's a very basic brand, that can at least elevate it a little bit more, and people might be more likely to purchase the items. So overall, I don't regret buying this box or these two boxes. With the buy one get one 50% off, it was a good deal. I would probably not pay full price for these two particular boxes, but you never know. With Goodwill, with ThredUp, with any mystery box that you purchase, you never know what's in there. But I think, again, there's potential here to make money, and that's all that matters ultimately for my business, because sales have been slow and frustrating. So if any of this stuff can make me a little bit of extra money, then I will take it. And everything seems to be in good condition. I didn't really see any stains or anything like that, any missing buttons, nothing that needs fixing. So I think there's a lot to be said for that, because I feel like Goodwill Bluebox, even though they send basic stuff, there's usually a lot of Nuba tags, and usually their items are not flawed, or the flaw ratio is much smaller than, for example, with ThredUp. So I don't know. This is just my personal impression. Your mileage might vary, but that's how I feel. Anyway, thank you guys so much for joining me today. Let me know in the comments down below what you thought about these two boxes, and if you've taken advantage of the Goodwill Bluebox BOGO sale yet. I will see you guys soon with another video, or on my live on Thursdays, every other Thursday. I will link it down below as well. See you then. Bis dann. Tschüss.